Hello students, in this lecture we'll study electric field of a charge, electric field intensity and electric field at a point due to multiple charges. So what is electric field of a charge? For this consider a charge Q which is known as source charge because we are studying electric field of this charge. So electric field of a charge is a space or a region around this charge in which any other charge particle will experience its force. For example, consider a point P in the electric field of this charge and place a charge Q naught. We'll call this charge as test charge. This test charge is placed in the electric field of the source charge. Therefore, this charge will experience some force, and this force is known as Coulomb force or electrostatic force. If you take this charge outside the electric field, so this charge will not experience any force because this charge is outside the electric field of this charge. So, what is electric field? It is a space or region around a charge in which any other charge particle will experience its force. Electric field intensity. Now, electric field intensity is the strength of a source charge at a point in its electric field. It is also defined as the electric field at a point in the electric field region of a source charge is the force experienced by a unit positive charge which is placed at that point. Now, to express electric field intensity in mathematical form, consider a source charge Q and a test charge Q naught which is placed at point P. The distance between source charge and test charge is R. The force experienced by a test charge is given by F is equal to K Q naught by R square, where Q is the charge of the source charge and Q naught is the charge test charge and R is the distance between them. This is from Coulomb's law. So force experienced by this charge is given by this equation. Now according to the definition of electric field which is represented by E is equal to force experienced by this charge divided by the magnitude of the given charge, that is test charge. So F upon Q naught. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, electric field E is equal to K Q naught by R square divided by Q naught, which is equal to K Q by R square. So the electric field E is equal to K Q by R square. So electric field at a point in the electric field of a source charge depends only on the source charge. It does not depend on the test charge which is placed at the given point. As well as the electric field also depends on the distance between the charge, that is source charge, and test charge, as well as it also depends on the medium between charge Q and test charge Q naught. So E is equal to K Q by R square. This is the formula of electric field. Electric field is a vector quantity. Therefore, the vector form of electric field is given by E is equal to, now I am giving the vector form of the definition. Vector E is equal to vector F divided by Q naught. So this equation is a vector form of electric field intensity. Now the last topic of this lecture is electric field at a point due to multiple charges. Consider n charges Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Qn, and consider a point P which is placed in the electric field of the given charges. Let R1P is the distance between charge Q1 and P, R2P is the distance between charge Q2 and P, and similarly RNP is the distance between Qn and P. E1, E2, E3, E1 are the electric fields due to the given charges. Here we have considered all these charges are positive charges. So the direction of electric field due to a positive charge is always away from positive charge. This characteristic we'll study in next lecture. Now according to the principle of superposition, electric field at this point is given by vector E is equal to, this electric field is equal to the vector sum of the electric fields produced by each charge individually at this point. That is, E is equal to E1 plus E2 plus En. So E1 is equal to KQ1 by R1P square R1P cap, because the direction of the electric field E1 is in this direction and therefore we can consider this direction R1P cap, plus KQ2 by R2P square R2P cap plus KQN upon RNP square RNP cap. So here we can take K common. So E is equal to, vector E is equal to K Q1 by R1P square R1P cap plus Q2 upon R2P square R2P cap plus Qn upon RNP square RNP cap. This equation gives the electric field at a point due to the multiple charges.